Let's talk about some of Trump's proposed tax changes and how they may affect you. We'll start with the SALT deduction. SALT stands for state and local taxes. Think sales tax, state income tax, and property taxes. I'll start by explaining our current state of affairs. So right now, there's a $10,000 cap on state and local taxes that you can deduct. This was put in place back in 2017 as part of Trump's Tax Act. What's interesting is there are 4 different proposals put forth, and the biggest surprise, I think what people most expected is not included. Most people expected Trump to get rid of the $10,000 cap and go back to the unlimited SALT deduction. As of right now, that's not included in the proposal. For now, we'll go through the 4 proposals put forth. Starting up here at the top, repeal the SALT deduction. This will probably make the most amount of people unhappy. This would mean that you get no deduction for state and local taxes. It's going to make it really hard to itemize. Most people are going to take the standard deduction in this case. Number 2, make the $10,000 SALT cap permanent, but double it for married couples filing jointly. So if you're a single filer, things will stay the same. If you're a married couple, things will get a little bit better. You'll get twice the SALT deduction that you've had the previous 8 years. Number 3, a $15,000 and $30,000 SALT cap. So if you're a single filer, things get a little bit better from 10 to 15. If you're a married couple, it's a pretty significant jump from 10 to 30, and you'll most likely get to itemize your deductions as the 2025 standard deduction for married filing jointly is $30,000. So if you have home mortgage interest or you give to charity, you're gonna be over that threshold and get to itemize your deductions. And finally, eliminate the income and sales tax portion of SALT. This would mean that you just get to deduct your property taxes. Not gonna make a lot of people happy, especially those that are in a high income tax state. I plan on doing more of these, so follow along if you're interested. There are a lot of different proposals put forth, but important to keep in mind, unless Congress passes anything, nothing is gonna change. These are all theoretical conversations until something is signed.